Good afternoon, this is Don from R&I. I'm here to do a quick demo for the Cargill Company located over in Western Illinois. First thing I want to do is I want to show the two rolls that were sent in by Cargill. We have one that weighs approximately 77 and we also have another one that weighs approximately 44. So these are the two rolls we're going to demo. The first thing that I want to talk about is the aluminum pallet stand on the floor here. This is a device that we recommend and we sell and we recommend that you purchase. The aluminum pallet stand is made to your length and width of your wooden pallet, and then we put the amount of space we need depending on which lifter legs we provide for the lifter unit. So I'm going to show you how this works here using your two rolls today. I'm just going to slide the two rolls over where I can get at them with the expander. Let's talk about the lifter real quick. This is a 20,000 series unit. It's rated at 275 pound capacity. You have the lift mast. Back here you have a 3-position brake system where it's locked, free, and then if you bring it all the way up, you'll see the back two wheels will lock directionally. Here's your power pack. Here's your adjustable handlebar. Here's your 2-button remote for your up and your down. And here's your control box for your expander, and I'll talk about that in a minute. If you spin it around out front here, you basically have a set of low-built legs, and then we have the intermediate section, which is the section between the legs. And if you look very closely here, you'll see how the low-built legs fit very nicely underneath the aluminum pallet stand. And in doing this, we can keep a lifter to a standard width instead of making the lifter very, very wide. Let's talk about the tooling. This is the expander turn. This is for a 3-inch expander. We have the handle that we use to rotate the roll from a vertical to a horizontal or from horizontal back to vertical. We also have a system where we can move the expander on a rail system, and I'll show you that in a minute. On the back side of the lifter we have the control box. You press one button to expand and then you press 2 buttons to release, and you'll see that the red button on top of the control box will light up and let the operator know whether they've expanded or they've contracted the expander based on pickup and drop off. So we're going to pick up a roll right now. First one I'm going to pick up is going to be the 88 pound roll. And let me get some room here. So what you do is you bring the lifter over and you run the expander down into the core. And you get your control box over here, and you're going to press one button, and the expander is going to expand, and the red light's going to come on in the control box. And now we're going to pick a roll up. We're going to back it away from the pallet. We're going to lock the lifter in position, and we're going to rotate the roll over to a vertical position. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit right now because the roll's not in the correct balance point. So in order to correct that, you pull the detent pin, and you move the roll to the next position. And now we're in the perfect balance point where I can rotate from vertical to horizontal. And if I may show you, if you move to the next position, you will see how fast it goes. So that's not the correct balance point for the roll. The correct balance point is this position right here. So we do have adjustability with the expander to be able to move the expander back and forth on the rail system in order to get the right balance point depending on what the width of the roll would be. And the same thing could be done with the smaller roll. It would be in the same balance point, and that would be a way that you could handle your rolls from vertical on a pallet to horizontal. And then all you would do is release the expander, and then you would just take the roll and push it off onto your spindle for machine loading.